Hello, how are you guys? I hope you're finding this video tutorial in a very good health. So I'm here for the very first time with the very first video on about the Visual Studio Code's installation process of VS Code, the IDE, what is IDE, and how we will work on IDE for further codings and programmings. So for the very first step is open your Google Chrome. I've already opened, sorry. Then write VS Code download. Then download VS Code from here. Oh, where is it? VS Code, it's here. VS Code, you can download it here, or just simply go over right again, VS Code download. What is going on? Oh, it's here, sorry. Download Visual Studio Code, it's a direct link. So the basic thing for Visual Studio Code, it provides 3 platforms of Windows, Linux and Mac. So it's like better for everyone, whoever is using Linux or Mac. I'm using Windows, so I will get over here, and there are 3 options for user installer, system installer and .zip. So it's better to click on here to Windows installer, so it will automatically detect which processor you are using. So click Windows, and then you get redirected to somewhere. So I'm redirected to here, and then my downloads, and then here install and save. And VS Code is installing. It will get a couple of minutes, and then you can enjoy 2 to 3 fries. 1, 2, 3, come on, yo. We are opening our VS Code. Accept the agreement, press next, press next, press next, press next, create a desktop icon, press next, and install. Then it will again take a couple of minutes. Then again enjoy your cola and fries. And finish. And here it is, our brand new Visual Studio Code. And when you want to write a new file, then press new file, and whatever you want to write with your I don't know, you are writing HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL, I don't know, so you will write directly come on here, and then you can add the extensions you want that I have already like used: Dart, debugger, Slen, Flutter, material icon, open in browser, and so on. So the very first video with the tutorial for installation of Visual Studio Code is completed. We have installed VS Code in our laptop, in our processor, so it's again VS Code. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you find it informative. If you find it informative, do like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for next update. I'll be uploading some more quizzes and questions regarding HTML5, CSS3, MySQL, C language, and some other stuff. Thank you so much. Bye bye.